Happy Hanukkah, everyone. I'm Dr. Bob Summers. Today we're making a cocktail using kosher tequila.
We're making a Kislev Fizzer. First, we're going to do a 1/4 ounce lime, then a 1/4 ounce lemon, the coconut heavy cream, 1 ounce, 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of Mr. Black coffee liqueur, 3 drops of orange flower water, 2 ounces of El Sativo Blanco, 1 ounce egg white, take out the yolk. You're gonna do a dry shake. You're gonna add ice. Do another hard shake. Get your Collins glass and you're going to strain. You're gonna top it off with some sparkling water. Fresh nutmeg, right? Happy Hanukkah.
Enjoy your Kislev Fizzer. And to find El Sativo near you, go to elsativo.com.